Imagine waking up one morning with no alarm, no boss calling, no paycheck waiting. Charles Long and his family are sitting on their weathered porch in Ontario, sipping tea, watching the seasons change. No salary, yet fully surviving and thriving. What's the secret sauce to living without a steady paycheck? That question pulls us into a world where freedom isn't just a dream, it's a daily reality. Let's dive into the conserver lifestyle that makes this possible. Most of us are trapped in a relentless cycle of buying and earning to buy more. But what if breaking free starts with spending less and thinking differently? Charles Long and his family made a radical choice in rural Ontario. Stop chasing new stuff. They repaired old clothes, traded locally, and grew much of their own food. Instead of feeling deprived, they discovered joy in simplicity, watching their energy bills shrink and their patience grow as they mastered conserving over consuming. Think of the consumer lifestyle like a giant garden that needs constant watering with money. The conserver lifestyle is more like tending a wild forest. Less labor, more patience, letting nature do its work. By cutting out waste and unnecessary purchases, you plant seeds of stability that mature over time without constant financial input. When you shift from being a consumer to a conserver, your world changes. You start choosing what really adds value, like handmade furniture or homegrown veggies rather than flashy gadgets. This isn't just saving money, it's reclaiming your time and peace, showing that less really can be more, and unexpected joy grows where frugality takes root. Don't have a paycheck? That's fine. The Longs turned to creative, casual income streams that fueled their lifestyle without a boss or clock in time. Charles Long built stonebird houses for fun, then started selling them at local Ontario farmers markets. No fixed salary, no pressure, just casual income when the market was right. This way, money flowed in without demanding 9-to-5 grind, offering both flexibility and fulfillment rooted in craft and community. Casual income is like a map with hidden treasures scattered around you, waiting to be discovered. Instead of a single salary river, you tap smaller streams, odd jobs, crafts, gardening surplus. Each stream adds to a financial ecosystem, reducing risk and letting your livelihood evolve naturally with your interests. The biggest payoff: when you earn on your terms, you reclaim choice. You don't just work to pay rent, you work on what lights you up, whether that's potting plants, fixing homes, or teaching neighbors. This shift rewrites your relationship to work, making freedom and passion your steady companions instead of stress and exhaustion. Budgeting isn't about restrictions, it's about gaining control. Charles Long's approach is practical, creative, and deeply empowering. Instead of groaning about taxes and insurance, the Long family hunted for ways to minimize these expenses legally and smartly. From leveraging government programs to bundling insurance policies, they treated each bill like a puzzle to solve, not a weight to bear. Small savings here meant big breathing room later, proving budgeting can be an act of strategy, not punishment. Where the average person hits the retail checkout, conservers hit the alternatives, bartering with neighbors, buying in bulk directly from farmers, or crafting what they need. Charles calls it spending sideways, sidestepping the high street and trimming costs sharply. This mindset turns shopping from a trap into a tactical move. The real magic: their budget wasn't a cage, it was a launch pad. With fewer financial surprises and more deliberate spending, they found comfort and joy daily. Budgeting stopped being a chore and became the tool that kept their unconventional life full of possibility and free from money stress. Back on that Ontario porch, the Long family's calm smiles say it all. No salary, no stress, just steady freedom crafted day by day. Their secret isn't luck, it's how they live, conserving wisely, earning creatively, budgeting boldly. Now your move this week: pick one consumer trap to cut, maybe skip a brand name coffee or repair instead of replace. Feel your paycheck stretch beyond the usual. That's survival without a salary, starting now. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.